Hey all, this is my another speed paint actually because it's pretty last minute, but I have a life. Okay, I have a life. I have to study for my exams, so here is a quick speed paint. It took me like 40-ish minutes. I don't know. It's just a sketch of Kobeni from Chainsaw Man, which I have never watched. I know, like, oh, you're such a poser. I don't care, because I love Kobeni. Here's my opinions, guys. I love Kobeni. I think Aki's pretty fine, and Denji's kind of funny, and I don't like Power. Those are the 4 characters that I know. Yep, that's all. I think Kobeni's really funny, and cute, and adorbs, and funny. Anyway, that's all that I can say right now, so enjoy this little thing. See ya! Okay, I'm back. This is the finished version, and I just want to say that I did not feel like doing her hands because nobody likes doing hands unless you're like a weirdo. That was my drawing of Kobeni, which you can find on my Instagram and maybe my Twitter. They're both in my description. Okay, now before I go, let me beg a little. I want you to like this video, and I want you to comment anything that you want. What is your favorite pasta sauce? And subscribe, because I'm going to be posting less speed paints, maybe more helpful tips and stuff, so it helps you and it helps me. Okay, goodbye.